welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you have never seen my face, hi, my name is Wanto, and I do hope that you become a part of the family by clicking that subscribe button and also turn on your post notification, and also please do give this video a like. Hi guys, once again welcome to a brand new vlog. It is currently Tuesday. Not sure what time it is. I think it's like 9:15, 9:30, somewhere there, but I'm just about to make breakfast right now. Yeah. Hopefully this mixture isn't like too much. I'm just in my way because it's just for me. That's the problem I have with my flapjacks. And I don't have a whisk, so I'm just using this big old spoon. It'll be fine, I guess. Trying to flatten it out. Let me just finish here. This is not like the best spoon to do this with. I'm gonna use them here. I want them to be a bit round. And then I'm just gonna stop. I don't even have a spatula. That sucks. Maybe a fork. Better. The first one is always going to be ugly, so you know, that's like a trial run out, like cheeky. That's my
are coming with a force. Yeah, blessings they are reap and we coursing on full. But we don't rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are coming like one. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the bill? One time, it's down in a class and we board that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits I sing. Yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring. Like hello, brother. Say I feel so down. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body and live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings are just to the plus. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall.
My macaroni and mince came out. Ugh, I can't wait to dig in. This is good.
Hi, darlings. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chloe. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, darling, and welcome back home. Today is Friday, the 13th. I got my parcel from Shein, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. It's just gym stuff. Also, guys, I just realized because I'm going through my pictures, right? I took this picture today. Let me show you. It was raining in the morning. I went to the doctor in the morning. I have a very bad flare up. Let me show you guys. I honestly don't know if you're gonna see it on camera. Yeah, do you see that? I have a very I have a very bad flare up. My thighs are worse. That's my left hand, and this is my right. But it's not translating well. But this is the yeah. Do you see those little spots, pimples? Yeah. So. Not healing my stomach, sorry, healing my gut rather, and it's been working so fine. They put me on a strict Mediterranean diet. I have to go to, well, I don't have to go to the gym, but
Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. It is new day into the vlog. I haven't been vlogging much because there's nothing to vlog actually, but today has been a slow day. Right now I'm just currently in the midst of cleaning, or actually tidying up. I'm just doing a bit of cleaning today, and then I'm gonna prep dinner, and then yeah, that's it. I really don't have much to do today. It has been raining. It has just been a slow day. So yeah, that's all I think for today. That's all I'm gonna do for today. This is the end result of how my fries came out.
Is not an indication that God is in the room. It's obedience and a yielding and a true relationship with God that reveals God.
So I'm back home. I really couldn't vlog. I don't know, but I will adjust one day. But I bought myself some flowers. How pretty! Like, how pretty is this orange pinkish color? Like, how pretty are these flowers? Like, I noticed that I didn't close the vlog, so I'm here to close the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next vlog.